समान हैं यहाँ, हम सब समान हैं यहाँ। माँ सरस्वती का स्थान है यहाँ, हम सब समान हैं यहाँ, हम सब समान हैं यहाँ। शिक्षा समझ संस्कारों की चाह है यहाँ, हर चुनौती आसान बनाए अल्फा संकुल विद्या का। माँ सरस्वती का स्थान है यहाँ, हम सब समान हैं यहाँ, हम सब समान हैं यहाँ।
Hello students, welcome to the Alpha Vidya Sankul online classes. Today's topic is letter to editor. Students, this is very important. So you know that there are two types of letters, formal and informal. So this letter is formal letters. So let me do some the formats of the formal letters. The first of all, students, if we want to write the formal letters, for the formal letters, the format is what? The first of all, we have to write sender's address. Sender's address. Number 2, date. Number 3, receiver's address. Receiver's address. Number 4, here you have to write salutation. Next, subject. The next is body of the letter, and the last one is complementary closing. Here the sender's address. You know what is sender's address, students? The sender's address means if you are writing the letter, you have to write the address here. Suppose, for example, I have given one example of this question. You are Rani or Raja and a resident of Azad Colony, Chennai. Now you hear, suppose the writer is Rani. Rani is writing a letter to editor. Here, the address is here, Azad Colony, Chennai. Then you have to write here this address. The next is date. Suppose on what date you are writing. On what date you are writing, you may write the exam date, no problem. But the way of writing date, let me tell you here. Suppose 20, or you remove this, it's no problem. It is the best one, 20 August 2020. But don't commit these mistakes. Don't write like this 2020. Some students they write like this, then this format is wrong. Or this also. And this is incorrect. These two are not allowed in letter writings. Okay? Not only letter writings also, when you write the notice also, everywhere, don't write this format. You have to write this format. This is the best one, don't forget. If you want to put your th, 20, it's okay, but there is a problem. Sometimes, if you write like this, then your answer, it is wrong here. It should be first, 21st. And if you write like this, then you cannot, no, this is will be third, 23rd. So there are also confusions. If you know, then it's okay. If you don't know, this is the cardinal, ordinal number. And the best way is you write in the form of cardinal numbers. That is the best to avoid mistakes and error. The next is receiver's address. Suppose receiver's address means, and Rani is writing to the editor. The editor is from where? And you have to write the designation also. Here, write the what? To the editor, Times of India, it address is where? Chennai. You have to write here. The next is salutations. Here you know who is editor, male or female. We don't know. At that time you use only sir. And this is the best one, sir. And many times we see respected sir, dear sir. Okay, limit these things. Confusions. And if you know, then it's okay. And in which condition, in what case we can say sir or dear sir or my dear sir. No, there are some rules. So don't bother about that. You use only sir. Or, and if you know then madam, sir or madam. That is way. The next is subject. What is subject? And the subject is, you are going to write a letter for what? What is the reason of writing letter? Then the water logging here. The water logging during rainy season. And this is the what? This is the reason. So you write here subject here. Then body. Body, you have to start, this is the main part. Students, the body will be divided into 3 parts. The first one is intro. What is meant by intro? Introduction. And you have to write the content. What are the problems? And it is the closing. You can say conclusion. And the last, complementary closing. This complementary closing is what? This is, you have to write yours. What we write? Yours truly. Students, sometimes you may find yours obediently, and it is used for a student. If a student write to his or her teachers, and we use obediently, it is for lower sections. But if you're writing to the editor and if you're writing to any officers, then don't write obediently, you're faithfully. The best way is what? Truly. You know, only one thing, that is. So these are the formats, students. So let us start writing. Now let us apply our formulas, our format. You know, students, we learn many rules, not only this subject, okay? In every subject, if you learn many rules, then if you don't know how to apply it, and that is useless. So these rules now I'm going to apply. Then you look at and listen to me carefully. See, here you are Rani Raza, a resident of Azad Colony, Chennai, 2000. This is the pin code number 2050. It may be different things. So write a letter to the editor of the Times of India, Chennai, regarding what is the problem? Regarding the problems faced by the people of your area due to the, what is the problem? Water logging during the rainy season. In the rainy seasons, due to the heavy rainfall, and the drainage system is not proper. That is why the water is overflowing and block the canals, and there is water logging everywhere. So there are so many problems faced by the people living there. So let's start. See, question number 10, students. And it is your answer. Answer is, okay. The first one is what I told you. Sender says this. Sender is, who is the sender? Who is writing? Suppose Rani is writing. Then we have to write the address. Here, Azad Colony, Chennai. Two 2050. Whatever the address written on the question paper, you have to write, students. The next is, and we have to make a space here, students. Space is here. Okay? Make a space and date. What date? Suppose it is 21st August 2020. Okay. And make a space. Then receiver said, the receiver is what? You have to write a designation to the editor the Times of India. The Times of India, in which place? University, Chennai. It is Rajkot, you have to write Rajkot. It is Ahmedabad. But it is in the question paper, it is given Chennai. Then we have to write Chennai. Then after that, what is the format after this receiver's address? What is there? Remember, what is that? That is salutation. Salutation means you are writing to letter to editor. We don't know he or she. Anyway, you take sir. If you don't know, sir. So then there will be space here. Some space will be here. Here. Sir. Like this. Then, comma. And you make some space, move a little to the right side, and you write here subject. Then many students bother about how to make the subject. For the subject, you need to read the question paper very carefully. The question, what is that? The question, the problem is what? Water logging during rainy season. That you can get this answer from here. Here, water logging during rainy season. Students, one thing I need to explain you. Here we use the punctuation. Here you see, we use the punctuation, comma, full stop, comma, here, comma. But many times you will see in different books, okay? It is in CBSE books and state boards and ICC boards. Sometimes, many nowadays, many times you may not find these punctuation systems. Totally it is blank. Totally it is what? Blank. It will be here. This is not here, and it is not here, not here, here, here. This. And this is block system. Then you can write like this is also. Nowadays it is very common. But for me, the best way is to use the what? Punctuations. The one condition is that if you don't use here, then you cannot put here. Don't use here. Half of the letter is your letter, you apply the punctuation systems, and half of the letters you don't apply. It's not allowed. If you don't use, don't use. And if you want to use the punctuation, then you can use this. Suppose I want to use this, then I have to use this here, and full stop. And to comma, editor comma, India comma, full stop. Here. This is the way. So the next is what will be here, students. This is the salutation subject. After subject, what will be their body? So there is no space here. There is no space. So let me rub this. Here. Through the column of your steam newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities regarding the problems faced by the people of the area of my area due to water logging during rainy season. See, and these are the body. Students, these are the body, and body should have three parts. Body should have 1, 2, 3 parts, and this is the one, the first one. Okay, and it is called introduction. And the second part, and you make a space here, then you can select it. Due to the lack of where proper drainage system, there is water logging, everywhere, in my area. Due to the lack of proper drainage system, area during rainy season. It creates difficulties it creates problems. Students, it creates problems to the commuters. Commuters to walk or ride their vehicles on the road. It is extremely difficult to come out to come out the people from their homes is there are many potholes on the road. There are many problems for the residents There are many problems for the residents to perform their daily duties. Above all, water, logging areas are the breeding place for the mosquitoes. That is why many people suffers many people suffer from malaria and dengue. The another problem is water borne waterborne disease. Waterborne disease like cholera, diarrhea, typhoid, infectious etc. The other problem is waterborne disease like cholera, diarrhea, typhoid, etc. Now, student, this is the part 2. This is called introduction. This is called content, and let me write the last word, conclusion. So the conclusion is and you make a space here, students. Make a space here, and I expect that my letter will get a suitable space in your newspaper. I hope this letter will, I hope this letter will reach, I hope this letter will reach soon. I hope this letter reaches you soon. Then students, this is the part, and all these part are what? It is called body. Here let me write, it is the body. This, and all this body of the letter. And the last part is complementary closing. So let me rub this. The complementary closing. After that you write thanking you, and space, yours truly. And what is the name I told you? The letter, this letter is written by Rani. Then Rani. Now your answer is, your letter is ready now, students, and this is the format. But one thing I would like to remind you this, students, many students I found like this, yours truly. Yours what? Truly. Don't use this. This is incorrect. And there is no such English, okay, in the world. So don't use this. So remove this. Don't forget. Only Y-O-U-R-S, yours. And this will be yours. And one more thing, truly. This truly, it is a very common. So you use it. Don't confuse yourself. So let me conclude my lecture for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.